Hey guys, this is Forrest again, Sevierville, Tennessee. I got a hold of a bunch of black walnuts. I just wanted to do a little video on them. My friend was talking about cutting a tree down because they're just all over his yard. He literally has thousands of them. I went and got a couple of bags to start because I didn't want to mess with too many. I don't really know how well this will turn out, but I got probably a few hundred of them, as you can see. A couple of big trash bags, stuck them in the car, brought them home. I watched a couple of videos. The main one I watched was a lady, which gave me the basic premise of it, but they're watching. I said, there has to be a better way. That would have taken forever. She was cutting each one by hand and washing them with a little hose and whatever. But so anyhow, my thought was, I'm gonna speed this shit up because I waste enough time as it is. But this is after cleaning up a little bit. I got this nice big flat area, great. So my first thought, I got the wheelbarrow where all the husks were. Just put a wheelbarrow up here, took the trash bags up here. I just dumped them out right here along the wall, and I was crushing them with my foot. Literally just crushing them all with my foot, 10, 20 at a time. Pull the seed out, throw it in the barrel. I throw them in this barrel and the other ones in that. In the wheelbarrow, the husk in the wheelbarrow. But you could have started with this basket. This is what I end up ultimately using. Because after I got all the husk off and threw the seeds in there, they're nasty and dirty, bugs, Some had a little bit of maggots inside them where they've been sitting on the ground a couple of days, I guess. So, but the nuts should all be good. So, they're super hard. I don't really think anything can get in them. Another reason for washing them. I tried to wash them in this with the pressure washer. Probably a mistake. They were just shooting everywhere. Made even bigger of a mess. It splashed it everywhere. That was a no-go. Then I tried covering with mesh, putting wire over it and doing that. If it was hard mesh, it might have worked. But anyways, this turned out to work great because I could shoot right down at them, spray them off really well. They didn't go anywhere. This is something I already made a while back just to cover trees and for leaves, but whatever. I actually need to fix the bottom. I could put some more zip ties so you can see her all around it. That's just for me moving the basket around. But anyways, this is the end result. As you can see, they're kind of small. I actually thought they would be bigger. I could wash them longer. Obviously, I can make them pretty if I want it, but I think they actually look pretty good. That's good enough. I'm sure the rest of that stuff will fall off. Like this one here, that one's pretty much clean except at the very top. So I shook them around a couple times. And the basket, I said if it wasn't falling apart, I could have done a better job. So, but in the effort of not scattering them everywhere, I just quit washing them. But I still need to do a little cleanup. As you can see, there's matter everywhere. But if I'd planned it out a little better, this would be even better. I could have obviously washed them on this side in this basket to start near the wall here. All the splatter could have gone out. It'd have been great, but I wasn't really sure what I was going to do at first or where they're going to go. But now that I know that works, if I do this again and they turn out pretty good, next time I'll have a better plan. I won't make a mess with it like this. So there's one over here. See, they were shooting everywhere. They were going everywhere inside that metal tin. That wasn't working. The black walnut trees are common out here. They're everywhere. They're along the water at my job and everything else. And I'm sure something you'll see, some people know. I went to grab these stupid things. I actually was wearing gloves, just some utility gloves. I don't know if that was going through it. It might still be going through it. It might be making it worse. But just where I went and picked them up at his house, I don't know if you can see my hand. My nails are dirty. And it's not just dirty, it's stained. So that won't come off. I had to work the last couple of days like that, and they're just completely stained. And they're still not coming off, so hopefully it'll come clean here in a couple of days. But luckily I have this big flat area to put those. And I have this greenhouse over here that we literally never use for anything. My brother doesn't exactly garden. So I'm gonna lay a towel out and just throw them all on this big rack up here. Not a lot of sun in here, but it should stay pretty dry and pretty warm. So I think this will work great. I heard 3 to 4 days at first, but then again, the lady said 6 months. She waited 6 months to crackers. She said they weren't to make them easier to break, I suppose. So there's a pretty big window, I'm guessing there. But from the looks of these, they should last for a long time. If I get anything out of them and they taste good, like I said, I'll probably freeze it, make it last a little longer. But I'll let you know the results of that. Anyways, good luck with yours.